Hello and welcome to DIY Days. Today we have another cook and bake video for you using our mug again and the microwave. It literally takes you 3 minutes to make. It's very lovely. We're using M&Ms. I know, it's great. So what we need, a big mug obviously. We need a spoon and teaspoon to measure things up. So in our mug we've got our 4 spoons of flour, sorry. 2 spoons of brown sugar, we can add that in there. We've got some baking powder. And we're taking a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix that up. Then we're adding the milk, the 3 spoons of milk. And we're adding some vanilla sugar. Mix that up as well. And we've got 2 teaspoons of oil. It's a very tiny amount, but that doesn't matter, it's gonna look great. So I got some chocolate bits here, some M&Ms. And then with the fork you can kind of press them in there. And then we're putting them in the microwave for 1 minute on 800 watts. After 1 minute, here we are. That looks great, honestly. That looks so appealing, especially with the M&Ms. And let's see how it is. Oh, it's very fluffy. Oh, that looks great. Yeah. And the chocolate bits are kind of melted, like down below, which is great. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free. And always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We have loads more videos for you, so I'd say have a look on our channel. And hopefully we'll see you soon and next time at DIY Days. Have a good day. Bye!